Hello students, I am Madhuri Abhale from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching Science of Standard 6th. Here we are going to start chapter number 2, that is Components of Food part 3. I have already explained you chapter number 2 Components of Food in part 1 and part 2. Now in part 3 let's discuss some important questions. So, question number 1. This question can be asked in short answers. Name the major nutrients in our food. So, there are total 5 main nutrients in our food. First one, carbohydrate. Second, protein. Third, fats. 4, vitamins. Fifth, minerals. In addition, food also contain dietary fibers and water. Let's see question number 2. Name the following. It could be asked in answer in one word. Question number 1. The nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. So that nutrients is called carbohydrates and fats. So your answer is carbohydrates and fats. Question number 2. The nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. That means for growth and maintenance our body we need proteins. So question number 2 answer is protein. Question number 3. A vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. So for good eyesight we need vitamin A. Question number 4. A mineral that is carried for a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. So for keeping our bones healthy we need calcium and phosphorus. Let's move further, that is question number 3. This question can be asked in answer in short. Name the 2 foods each rich in fats, starch, dietary fibers and proteins. Answer is butter, ghee and oil is rich in fats. Point number 2. Rice and potato is rich in starch. Point number 3. Whole grains, fresh fruits and green vegetables are rich in dietary fibers. Pulses, sprout, milk and fish are rich in protein. Let's move further, that is question number 4. Tick the statements that are correct. This question can be asked in true or false. Statement number 1. By eating rice alone we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. So this statement is totally false because सिर्फ राइस हमारे बॉडी का न्यूट्रिएंट फुलफ़िल नहीं कर सकता. उसके लिए हमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स रिच फूड खाना है, प्रोटीन रिच फूड खाना है, फैट्स रिच फूड खाना है. दैट मीन्स हमारे डेली मील में फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, पल्सेस एंड सीरियल्स ये सब इंक्लूड होना चाहिए. सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज़ फॉल्स. नंबर 2. Deficiency disease can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. So this statement is true. In balanced diet everything will be included like vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, everything. Statement number 3. Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. Yes, this statement is also true. Statement number 4. Meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to the body. This statement is false because only meat cannot provide sufficient nutrient to our body. For that we need to eat vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, this type of food. Our next question is fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks is not included in our model paper. So let's move further. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question. Number 1. Which of the following is not a nutrients? Everyone knows that there are 5 types of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Let's see the options. Option number 1, carbohydrates, B, fat, C, dietary fiber and D, protein. So not included in nutrient. So answer is option C, dietary fiber. Number 2, which of the following is not a main component of our food? Option A, protein, B, fat, C, carbohydrate and D, water. So A, B and C, these all are nutrient or main component that we eat in our food. So option D, water is your answer. Number 3, which solution is used to detect the presence of starch in food? So which solution we need that we had already seen in experiment? Let's see the options. Option A, copper sulfate solution, B, caustic soda solution, C, iodine solution and D, sodium chloride solution. Answer is option C, iodine solution. Let's see number 4. Which of the following food provides maximum carbohydrates? So maximum carbohydrates include in rice. Option A, pulses, B, rice, C, vegetables and D, fruits. So your answer is option B, rice. Number 5, which nutrient is obtained from oily foods? So everyone knows that oily food contains fat. So your answer is option C, fat. Let's see sixth one. Which of the following is considered as a complete food? Option A, grains, B, pulses, C, fruits and D, milk. So milk is considered as a complete food. Number 7, which of the following practices keeps the nutrients of fruits and vegetables intact? Option A, first cutting and then washing them, B, first washing and then cutting them, C, by peeling off मतलब उसको छीलना, option D, first cutting them and then keeping them in water. So the process is option B, first washing and then cutting them. Question number 8, deficiency of which vitamin results in loss of vision and night blindness? That means दिखने में कमी होना, वो कौन से विटामिन के कमी के वजह से होता है? सो विटामिन ऑप्शन ए विटामिन ए, ऑप्शन बी विटामिन बी, ऑप्शन सी विटामिन सी एंड ऑप्शन डी विटामिन डी. सो आंसर इज विटामिन ए. Question number 9, which disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B? Option A, scurvy, B, rickets, C, beriberi and D, goiter. So due to deficiency of vitamin B, beriberi disease is caused. Number 10, deficiency of which vitamin leads to bleeding gums? मीन्स टूथ प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होता है. ऑप्शन ए विटामिन ए, बी विटामिन बी, सी विटामिन सी एंड डी विटामिन डी. सो योर आंसर इज विटामिन सी. नंबर 11, ड्यू टू डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विच विटामिन डू आवर बोन्स बिकम सॉफ्ट एंड बेंड? आंसर इज डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन डी. विटामिन डी के डेफिशिएंसी के वजह से बोन्स क्या हो जाते हैं? सॉफ्ट एंड बेंड. लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, विच डिजीज़ इज़ कॉज ड्यू टू डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ आयोडीन. आयोडीन के डेफिशिएंसी के वजह से ग्वाइटर डिजीज़ कॉज्ड होती है. नंबर 13, विच मिनरल इज़ नेसेसरी फॉर हेल्दी बोन्स. ऑप्शन ए आयरन, बी कैल्शियम, सी आयोडीन एंड डी सोडियम. So for healthy bones, calcium is necessary. Number 14, which part of body gets affected by rickets? So rickets के वजह से हमारे बॉडी का बोन ये पार्ट क्या होता है, अफेक्ट करता है. Number 15, deficiency of which mineral results in anemia? So आयरन ये मिनरल के वजह से अनेमिया डिजीज़ कॉज होता है. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू दिस फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट comes under model paper. So we'll move to the question number 3, that is give only answers to the following question. That means you need to give answers in one word. Let's see question number 1. Which essential nutrient is obtained from pulses? So pulses से हमें क्या मिलता है, प्रोटीन. Answer is protein. Number 2, which vitamin forms in the skin due to early sunshine? So with the help of vitamin D. Question number 3, which vitamin is necessary for keeping the eyes healthy? So for healthy eyes के लिए हमें कौन सा विटामिन लेना चाहिए, विटामिन A. Question number 4, which vitamin is present in sour fruits? मीन्स खट्टे फ्रूट्स में कौन सा विटामिन रहता है, सो विटामिन C. Number 5, the deficiency of which vitamin causes rickets? So विटामिन D की डेफिशिएंसी के वजह से रिकेट्स होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, the deficiency of which mineral causes goiter? So the deficiency of iodine mineral causes goiter. Number 7, which deficiency disease results in weak muscles? So beriberi deficiency disease results in weak muscles. मतलब beriberi disease के वजह से हमारे muscles क्या हो जाते हैं, weak हो जाते हैं. Number 8, which vitamin is not present in milk? Vitamin C is not present in milk. Let's move further. Question number 4, state whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1, our meal usually has at least one item made from more than one ingredient. So answer is true. Let's see second one. Iodine solution is yellow in color. So yes, iodine solution is yellow in color. Answer is true. Number 3, vitamins are considered the main nutrients of our body. Answer is false, because carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, protein, all these are also necessary. So third statement is false. Number 4, the deficiency of vitamin D results in the weakening of muscles. So answer is false. Number 5, vitamin A keeps our eyes and skin healthy. Yes, answer is true. Number 6, sour fruits contain vitamin B. Answer is false, because sour fruits contains vitamin C. Number 7, roughage helps our body to get rid of undigested food. Yes, this answer is totally true. Number 8, idli and dhokla are fermented food. So answer is true. फर्मेंटेड फूड मीन्स उसे हम उसका जो फ्लोर रहता है उसको हमें आटे को हम लोग को 2 दिन या 1 डे के लिए रखना पड़ता है जस्ट फॉर फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस. Number 9, vitamin C gets easily destroyed by heat during cooking. So yes, answer is true. Number 10, night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of minerals. Answer is false. Number 11, obesity is a deficiency disease. Answer is false. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज़ ओबेसिटी. ओबेसिटी मतलब अगर सपोज़ हम लोगों ने कल का बचा हुआ खाना अगर हम लोग खा रहे हैं तो उसके वजह से नेक्स्ट डे जो प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ती है, पेट में दुखना एंड ऑल, उससे क्या बोलते हैं, ओबेसिटी. सो ओबेसिटी इज़ अ डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज़. नो. Number 12, anemia is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. This statement is false. Let's move further. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. Number 1, foods containing which nutrients are called energy giving food? सो एनर्जी हमें किस में से ज़्यादा मिलती है? आंसर इज़ फैट्स एंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच आर द मेजर न्यूट्रिएंट्स फाउंड इन आवर फूड? सो 5 मेजर न्यूट्रिएंट्स कौन से थे? कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स, फैट्स, विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट इज़ द कलर ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन? सो कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन का कलर होता है ब्लू. नंबर 4, विच न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रेजेंट इन फूड कैन बी ईजीली टेस्टेड? सो आंसर इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स एंड फैट्स इज फूड कैन बी ईजीली टेस्टेड. नंबर 5, what color does starch give when mixed with a solution of iodine? So while doing experiments I told you that the solution turns into blue and black color. Let's move further. Question number 6, to what color does a protein containing food turn when 2 drops of copper sulfate solution and 10 drops of caustic soda solution are added to it? So it turns into violet color. Question number 7, what are the nutrients that our body requires in small amount? Answer is minerals and vitamins are required in small amounts in our food. Question number 8, which food items provide us with dietary fibers? कौन से फूड हमें डाइटरी फाइबर प्रोवाइड करते हैं? आंसर इज ग्रेन्स, पल्सेस, फ्रेश फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. These all are provide us with dietary fibers. Question number 9, what will happen if a child does not get enough protein in his food for a long time? Answer is, if a child does not get enough protein in his food for a long time, he is likely to have stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin disease and diarrhea. This disease is called kwashiorkor. It means अगर प्रोटीन की डेफिशिएंसी है तो चाइल्ड का ग्रोथ क्या हो जाएगा? रुक जाएगा. देन फेस पे स्वेलिंग आना स्टार्ट होगा, उसको स्किन डिजीज़ हो जाएंगे एंड डायरिया क्या होगा? अक्कर होगा. Let's see question number 10. What will happen if a child does not get enough protein and carbohydrates in his food for a long time? Answer, if a child does not get enough protein and carbohydrates in his food for a long time, his growth may stop completely. The child becomes very lean and thin and so weak that he may not be able to move. सो प्रोटीन और कार्बोहाइड्रेट अगर उसके बॉडी को प्रॉपर नहीं मिले तो उसकी ग्रोथ क्या हो जाएगी, स्टॉप हो जाएगी, और बच्चा क्या हो जाएगा, वेरी लीन एंड थीन. सो उसके वजह से वो बहुत वीक होगा और वो ही मे नॉट बी एबल टू मूव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय बैलेंस्ड डाइट? A diet that has all the nutrients that our body needs in adequate quantities and from which our body gets complete nutrition is called balanced diet. Question number 12, what do you mean by deficiency disease? Disease that occur due to the lack of nutrients in our body over a long period are called deficiency disease.